Hi, I'm Aiden, civil engineering student at AUIS. My journey began when I was just a curious kid. I used to build Lego towering cities to just see them crumble in an epic fashion. One day, a relative told me about AUIS, and he said, AUIS is a place to learn, not just to build, also to lead. And I thought to myself, I could learn some leadership skills, especially if I'm going to build cities, to see them fall like a stack of cards. So here I am, studying civil engineering at AUIS to turn my childhood passion into reality. Who knows, maybe one day I can figure out how to make my Lego cities standing.